Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT conversation not found problem. First, open your browser. I'll be demonstrating with Google Chrome, but the process works almost the same in Edge or Brave. Once the browser is open, click the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Privacy and Security. In this section, you'll find an option called Third-Party Cookies. Go ahead and click that, and then look for See All Site Data and Permissions. Here's where the important step comes in. At the top of this page, there's a search bar. Type in ChatGPT or OpenAI. This will filter out all the cookies, cached files, and permissions stored for ChatGPT. Now, click the trash icon or the delete button next to each result. Confirm by pressing delete. This clears all stored data that might be causing the error. Next, on the same left-hand settings menu, scroll all the way down to extensions. Sometimes, installed extensions like VPNs, ad blockers, or even productivity tools can interfere with how ChatGPT loads conversations. For troubleshooting, turn off these extensions temporarily. You can always turn them back on later once you confirm the issue is fixed. For more tips, try logging in using an incognito or private window which bypasses cookies and extensions. Or switch to a completely different browser like Firefox or Edge and see if the problem persists. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to PMN Online.